Hi, it's your girl Angelina, your friendly beach explorer, bringing you another adventure from the shores of paradise. Today, I'm standing on a beach that will leave you breathless. Get ready for an unforgettable experience. As I step onto the soft, golden sand, I can feel the warmth embracing my feet. The sun is shining bright, casting a golden glow on the glistening waves. The beach stretches as far as the eye can see, a captivating blend of serenity and natural beauty. This beach is a true gem, a place where dreams come to life. The water here is a mesmerizing shade of turquoise, inviting you to dive in and embrace the refreshing embrace of the ocean. Whether you're a swimmer, a surfer, or simply someone who loves to float on the waves, this beach has it all. Walking along the shoreline, I'm surrounded by a symphony of sights and sounds. The gentle lapping of the waves, the laughter of children building sandcastles, and the seagulls soaring above create a harmonious melody that fills the air. It's a feast for the senses, an escape from the chaos of the world. But the magic doesn't stop there. As I explore further, I'm amazed by the diverse marine life that thrives beneath the surface. Grab your snorkeling gear and get ready to enter a world of wonder. The coral reefs are teeming with vibrant fish, as if nature has painted an underwater masterpiece just for us to admire. As the sun begins its descent, the beach transforms into a canvas of awe-inspiring colors. The sky is painted with hues of orange, pink, and purple, casting a magical glow over the landscape. It's the perfect moment to sit back, relax, and witness the beauty of nature unfold before your eyes. Now, my fellow beach lovers, if you're as captivated by this coastal paradise as I am, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Join me on my future beach adventures as we uncover more hidden gems and explore the wonders of the world together.